MECFS and your rights to your ERISA disability benefits. Hey, I'm Nancy Cavey, and I'm a nationwide MECFS disability attorney. I know a lot about this disease firsthand because unfortunately my daughter has MECFS. So we live with this every day in our household. MECFS is not understood, I think, by disability carriers because they really question whether or not it's a real disease, if you will. They also question whether or not it's all in a person's head. And of course, we know that that is not the case at all. MECFS is a real disease, and it has significant consequences on a person's ability to function. By that I mean we know that it can involve body-wide pain, joint pain, fatigue issues, concentration issues, neuropsychological issues, all of which are real. Disability carriers are not afraid to challenge the diagnosis, but more often than not, they will also challenge the restrictions and limitations that have been assigned by a treating physician. I think it's crucial before you stop work and apply for your benefits because of MECFS that you have an attorney such as myself review your medical records and your policy. You want to make sure that the medical records document all of the findings that you have in terms of objective findings on exam, that necessary testing be done to confirm the restrictions and limitations, and that could include something as simple as an FCE or something more complicated as a CPET test, and that as appropriate, neuropsychological testing be secured. If your claim has been denied or terminated, you'll only have 180 days in which to file an appeal, and that appeal is the trial of your case. My appeal letters are normally 25 to 65 pages long, and they are full of information not only about the legal reason why the disability carrier is wrong in denying or terminating benefits, but it's full of medical literature, statements from your treating physicians, and documentation that will rebut the opinions of their liar-for-hire peer-reviewed doctors. It's not uncommon for disability carriers to use position papers that will tell them how to evaluate an MECFS claim, and there are a stock of doctors that we see in MECF cases routinely, day in and day out, who don't either believe in the disease, don't believe in the restrictions and limitations assigned, will argue about the treatment, will argue about the ability or impact to minimize symptoms with various treatment modalities. So it's a game for them. It's a game that I think is disrespectful of people who have MECFS, and I pride myself on helping my clients who have MECFS get the disability benefits they deserve, because again, we have personal daily experience with this disease. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.